Jeju. Sun is really doing your girl justice. So my friend has a couple of responsibilities. Had to head back to Seoul. She left before me, but I'm still very much island. I'm gonna be here today and tomorrow. I leave Wednesday morning. Does that mean I'm skipping class? Yes, it does. And what about it? Some things are worth skipping class, and this is one of them. Anywho, I have to get ready. I have an hour to get ready because I have to clock up at 11. It is about 10 o'clock. I have not taken a shower, I have not brushed my teeth, I have not done my hair, I have not gotten dressed. So there's already that. And then emailing my professors that I will not be present on Tuesday. Things like that. So that's what I plan on doing. I'm like looking out and I see the water and it's so nice. It's so beautiful. Oh, so beautiful. I went to the waters yesterday and it was so gorgeous. And the sun came out and it was made me really, really happy. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready. Deuces. Okay, so I'm at the hotel. I can't check in yet because check-in's at 3 and it's like 11:30. So I'm just gonna do some work. So then today I can just because like there's no tourists. So some sauce. Some good sauce. Spicy. Bread. Oh. Good. Everything is so doing it. I'm trying to get all the way across, close to where the waterfall is, so I can like sit down. You know. Okay, guys, I don't think I want to go any closer. I'm a bit scared. Because my shoes, the shoes I'm wearing, they're not good for it. They're actually slippery. I'm seeing kids with like Converse, so I don't think it's actually that bad. I think it's just a matter of like technique. So far I haven't fallen in, so yeah, I won't be falling in. I'm not even like to say so far. Got the tangerine drink. Tastes good. Probably tastes good and like bask in the sun. Actually, I'm gonna head to the bridge because it's open 24 hours. So I figure I might as well watch the sunset there. Bridge. a popular restaurant for some black pork. That's what Jeju is known for. So I'm heading there right now because I could really use some barbecue. I'm assuming this is where it is. This is where Neighbor is taking me. I'm not gonna lie, she does look a little bit sus, so definitely having my camera on. I think this is where they grow tangerines. That's so cool. Yo, Neighbor is mad weird. Why did it take me on a dirt path? This app will really take you to a ditch if you allow it. This is actually it. He's so sweet. He like did it for me and explained what a man. Oh, so nice. We're into the bus. We made it. Home. Well, not home, but in a hotel. I don't know. I was on the right bus, but it didn't go to the stop I needed to. And the bus driver was like so kind to redirect me to the right place. And also that pork, the food was hands down. This is like the best. I think that's the best meal I've had in Korea. Yo, that volcano cheese steamed egg, one of the best things I've ever had. That was some good pork belly. That black pork was so good. All the best meals I've had were outside of Seoul so far.